Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. This one divide by this one divide by this one, and so on in here. So s squared divided by s to the power of 3, we have 3 over s. The next one that is about 1 over s squared. The next one is about s to the power of negative number 3. The integration of this one, we have 3 ln s. The integration of negative 1 over s squared, we have positive 1 over s. The integration of this one, we have s to the power of negative number 3 plus 1 over negative number 3 plus 1, and we put about c. So this one is about negative number 2, and this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.